So this is a new web series on Netflix called Indian Matchmaking. It's just about the traditional matchmaking जो होता है in India. Okay, so first of all you cannot कि ये नहीं होता है, ये होता है. Okay, whatever said and done is very cringy. It's misogynistic. It is objectifying people, but 100% it's wrong. But this is what India is. You know what India is. You cannot avoid that. You cannot brush it under the carpet. Okay, and let me tell you, these matchmakers 100% exist. They exist in the higher upper class society. जिसको ये जो serial has covered, it also happens in the lower society. Even everywhere this matchmaking happens. In my entire life, I've seen matchmaking happening throughout. मेरा तो लव मैरिज हुआ था, but I saw a lot of arranged marriages taking place due to this matchmaking process. एक तुमको स्टोरी बताता हूँ. जब मैं छोटा था, जब यंग था, मैं 12-14 ईयर्स का था. I used to go to hotel Sun and Sand for swimming. तभी स्विमिंग जिम नहीं होता, मतलब क्लब नहीं होता था, जिम खाना नहीं होता था. We used to go to Sun and Sand for swimming. Okay. ओ सर आप तभी से अमीर हो? हाँ मैं तभी से अमीर हूँ. Okay. और I used to watch as a child स्विमिंग पूल पे हर शाम को 5:30 बजे this matchmaking club. So basically what happens, the girl side comes half an hour earlier. They set up the table and all that, and usually the girl is there, boy is there, brother, sister, 3-4 जन होते हैं. And then the boys की टोली comes half an hour later. Boy है, थोड़ा लेट आएंगे हम. Okay. ओ सबसे जो 8-10 जन लेके आते थे, पता है 5 स्टार होटल है. और आई टू सी एक्स्ट्रा चेयर्स एंड टेबल्स भी एडेड है, बिकॉज दे डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट सो मेनी गाइस टू कम. लोग जाते थे उधर. अरे तुमको लड़के देखना है, पूरा टीम क्यों लेके जा रहे, पूरे इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम क्यों लेके जा रहे, 2-4 जन जाओ ना. वो क्योंकि बिल फाड़ना है उधर. ओके. हाँ, फिर फैमिली बैठती थी 10 मिनट. आई कुड सी देम टॉकिंग एंड यू कैन एक्जैक्टली नो हु द बॉय एंड द गर्ल इज, बिकॉज दे आर थोड़ा ओवरली ड्रेस बोथ ऑफ देम. स्पेशली द गर्ल, शी इज ऑल डेक्ड अप एंड थिंग, एंड द गाय आल्सो जिंदगी में फर्स्ट टाइम शर्ट और कच्छा पहन के आया होगा. एनीवे, आफ्टर सम टाइम दे यूज्ड टू गो वॉक फ्रॉम द स्विमिंग पूल एरिया. दे यूज्ड टू गो ऑन द बीच पैरापेट के वहाँ होटल के पैरापेट डेक, एंड देन टू टॉक एंड कम बैक आफ्टर 15 मिनट्स, एंड देन आफ्टर सम टाइम मीटिंग करके डिस्पर्स हो जाता था. ओके. एंड this is how it was, and this is how it is. And so let me come back to the series. This talks about a lady called Seema Taparia. She is actually a very, very famous wedding planner in the Marwadi community. A lot of my friends know her. And first thing very good about her, she is very, very professional. Okay, she's got a full team. She's got एक face eater है, astrologer है, both India, America सब में है. She's got a professional relationship counselor with her on a team. So people who have self doubt or don't know what they really want, she sends them to a counselor also. Okay. One thing she doesn't have is a very good computer program. So, because she has a manual system, and there's some funny moments where she's actually finding a girl for a boy after some. She says, "अरे इसकी तो शादी होगा, काटो इसको लिस्ट से." Okay. She has very, very clear views. She says marriages are like biscuits, they break very fast. Okay. And so it is basically, see, first of all you go to a matchmaker where all your options offer. See, there are these middlemen everywhere, as I told you. तुमको फोन खरीदना है, तुमको जो करना है, तुमको गाड़ी बेचनी है, there are middlemen. Similarly like that, see, you go to her. See, today आजकल you're in the like 2020 में, you've got Tinder, you've got Bumble, you've got everything. There are bars, you go out, you meet friends and things like that. But suppose you don't find your matchmaker, it is okay to go to the matchmaker. Okay, it's absolutely okay. And she's very, very brutal. वो जो भी आते हैं, she says, अच्छा what you want? Okay, because she know you have come to her when all your options are. तुम पहले तो जाते नहीं हो. Okay, आजकल के everybody has options. You go to her when all your options exhaust, and then she's very, तुम क्या चाहिए बताओ, क्या चाहिए, characteristics बताओ. Okay. And just like how you went to go to buy a new car or a phone, you list out your wish list. So she takes your wish list, she's got a biodata system, she matches the wish list with that, and then she gives you options. And she's very, very clear. So एक टाइम पे 6-7 नहीं, she gives you 1-2 options. Very, very smart she is. Okay. And they saw her in this web series shuttling from India and US and finding matches for, based on what you want. And I generally thought she's doing an amazing job of her. She's fairly professional. Okay. Plus she phone पे बात कर रही है, 24/7 सर्विस चल रही है उसकी. She's talking to her clients in the US or WhatsApp कॉल पे सब चल रहा है. Okay. One thing which came out very clearly in this entire episode what I came to know, that mothers, जो बच्चों के जो mothers होते हैं, they're very, very picky. In fact, more picky than the kids themselves. सबके fathers very cool है. Okay, so daddy cool. what a plug. Okay. And other thing which was that 100% this was मैं कब से होता, our Indian women are very, very smart. They exactly know what they want. Indian men जो है, जो boys दिखाए सीरीज में, गधे हैं. 1-2 तो mamas के boys है, पता ही नहीं उनको क्या चाहिए. Themselves confused what they want. And this poor Seema ji is trying to probe further and further to see exactly what they want, so she can give the right match. Okay. एक तो लड़का इसमें इतना है, खुद स्क्रीन पे आके बोलता है इंटरव्यू में कि हे आई विल सी दैट माय वाइफ, आई वांट माय वाइफ टू बी अ हाउसकीपर जस्ट लाइक माय मदर, शी शुड टेक यू, शी शुड रेज किड्स, शी शुड डू दिस डू दैट. और जब लड़की को मिलने जाता है इंटरव्यू में, मैच मेकिंग इंटरव्यू में, उसको बोलता है नो यू कैन वर्क आफ्टर मैरिज, बिकॉज़ शी सेज आई एम अ सीए, आई वांट टू वर्क, दिस माय फर्स्ट कंडीशन. उसको वहीं बना के बोलता है कि हाँ यू कैन अलाउ टू वर्क. भाई खुद आई नो, उसको पता है उसके घर कैसा है, उसका क्या है. तो वेरी, वेरी बैड. ऐसा मत करो तुम लोग, और सच रहो. यू आर गेटिंग इनटू अ लाइफ लॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप. ऐसा मत करो. ठीक है. एंड and also let me tell you some few things. People want to know how much she earns. I think she earns quite a lot. But and I'll tell you a true story. जब हमारे यहाँ एक सिंधी में मैच मेकर होती थी, my one aunt, उसकी daughter की शादी नहीं हो रही थी, so she went to that matchmaker. And on Diwali, I have gone with my aunt to deliver like a big hamper. I said, अरे but she's a supplier, उसको hamper देने की क्या जरूरत है इतना इतने अच्छे अच्छे गिफ्ट्स के साथ? She said, no, you have to take very good care of these matchmakers because if you take good care, then you will always be on the radar and they'll find a good boy or a good match for your son or daughter. So this is how the industry works. I know it's very very bad, but this is India. This is, you have to relate it. If you can change it, go ahead and change it, and hopefully we should change it. Okay guys, so anyway, I am signing off. This is Atul Khatri from Mumbai. Take care, stay safe, stay positive. Bye, love you.